Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Layla, and for this video I'm going to be sharing all the income that I earned from my side hustles as well as extra income in the month of December. This is the last income report for 2022. I will continue to do online and extra income reports every month, but I'm no longer going to be writing them out like this. So I know some people really like the old school way of doing things and, writing out your budget, writing out all these things, but I find it more challenging, not challenging, just it takes more time for me than making a sit down video and doing everything digitally. So I have made some new spreadsheets for myself that I can share with y'all, and January 2023 moving forward, it will be digital. And I think it will be a lot better, honestly, because you'll see I've added some extra stuff to my spreadsheets. So I'm excited to start doing that. But with that out of the way, let's go ahead and start talking about my online and extra income. I'm going to start with my online/business income. So this is everything from my side hustles. I have a couple of blogs, have a couple of YouTube channels. I do financial coaching, and then along with all of that comes multiple things. So I know that my December spread looks like a 5-year-old drew this, but I just was rushing it. Don't judge me for that. We will start from smallest income to largest. The first thing, the smallest one, is Etsy. So I actually started another Etsy, a different Etsy. I had one for Living Like Layla. I got rid of that for now. It was just starting to become a bit of a hassle when things would come up. So I deactivated that for now. I did create an Etsy for personal finance with Layla. I literally only have like 2 products available for purchase right now, but I plan on adding to that slowly throughout, the next few months or however long, and changing things depending on the year. But I will start adding to that, and I did make a sale in December and got paid out for that. So that's exciting, and that was $2.25. Everything on Etsy is going to primarily be digital downloads. It's going to be all digital downloads, really, but we'll see going forward. Next is Teachable, which that was $38.47. Teachable is where I have my courses. I have a course on goal achievement and self-discipline. So I always have those linked down below, but I think, I sold one in November, so I got paid out in December. Mediavine puts ads on my lifestyle blog, livinglikelayla.com, and from there I earned $126.45. Next is financial coaching. I do offer financial coaching. I have that link down below. You can find more info about it on my blog, but that was $300. Had a couple of clients and one new client in December. Next is direct support. So this is through Buy Me a Coffee or Venmo. So the bulk of this is from Venmo. And there are some people who directly support me. Any of this money goes to my student loan debt, $383.81. Decent amount there. Thank you so much for all of your support. Next is YouTube revenue. That was $822.88 in December. And then the last thing would be sponsors/affiliate sales, which I started putting together a few months ago just because some companies don't allow me to disclose how much I make from them. This was a total of $958.90, which is incredible. Altogether, my gross business income for December was $2,632.76. And we're gonna flip to the next page because I have my yearly tracker here. So let me add December. Again, that was $2,632.76, which altogether Q4 comes to $8,072.68. And then final thing is the whole year. The whole year comes out to $21,215.20. However, this does not include M1 Finance referrals, which does count as online income because I had to pay taxes on all those referrals in 2021. Definitely less in 2022, but with M1 referrals, that was an additional $1,580. So that's $22,795.20. So, wow. I didn't hit my goal. I wanted to reach 25,000 for the whole year at least, but I'm close, you know, and let me fill this in. So we're gonna go first up to 20K, and we're gonna go right below 23K because I'm gonna include the M1 Finance referrals as this tracker, in this tracker. Not bad. And this gives me a lot of hope because basically every year that I've been working on my business, there was one year, I think in 2020, my business income went down a bit. That was probably because of the pandemic going on. But every year, otherwise, my income has increased from my side hustles. And I can't remember if in my money goals video, if I mentioned my income goal from my side hustles for 2023, but I'm aiming for 30,000. And since I was so close to 25K, I think I could probably reach 30,000 in 2023. And hopefully eventually I can get this to much higher than that so I can make a full-time living off of everything that I do. But this is so helpful already. Just a reminder that this is gross income, so I do have to pay taxes on this. So really I end up keeping like, 15K of this or so. We can come back here and talk about my extra income for December. This is anything outside of my business. Smallest one, first up, is Poshmark. That was $11.05. I sold something on Poshmark, got paid out for that. Then we have my Citi cashback. This is my Citi credit card. That was $18.70. Then my Discover cashback. That was $19.80. By the way, if there's any referrals or bonuses that these cards offer, I have them linked down below. So Discover's linked down below. The next one is going to be Wells Fargo cashback. That was $25. Oh, I messed up, y'all. I'm so sorry. Bank of America was first before Wells Fargo. Bank of America cashback, that was $24.50. So super close. Sorry, it's not in order. I always do this. I always mess it up somehow. Then we have Webull. I sold a stock. Y'all, if you watch my other videos, you know that I've been wanting to get rid of this stock. I don't like Webull. Hate is a strong word, but I don't like Webull's platform. And I had like a stock from a referral, a Starbucks stock, and I finally just decided to sell it, even though, it didn't go up to as high as it was. So that was $104.23, and I ended up putting that to my Roth IRA anyway. And then the last thing is Capital One cashback. I did open a new credit card with Capital One, the Venture X card. From this was $127.34. I actually had some old travel rewards chilling on my other Capital One credit card. I've had that one for years, which I transferred over to this new card and covered quite a lot of travel expenses. So this covered like an Uber ride. It covered paying for baggage, some of the hotel expenses that I paid for. So that was really exciting. Also, my cash back from all these other credit cards is really going to go down over the next few months because I've only been using my Capital One credit card, because in order to get the $750 travel bonus, I have to spend $4,000 in 3 months. So I'm spending my groceries on there. Any doctor's appointments, any purchases I make are really going on my Capital One Venture X card so I can get that bonus. Altogether, extra income came to $330.62. So between the two of these, over $2,900, almost $3,000, really. So that is awesome. Final thing, business expenses. December was actually a high business expense month. Always pay for Google Workspace for both of my emails / blogs. That was $16.80. I paid for Canva, of a full year of Canva, because I started that Etsy and I didn't have too much time, or I ended up not prioritizing that and like using the trial to build all my little printables and stuff. So I was like, let me just buy the full year. That was $119.99. Plus it gives me more options when I create my thumbnails. And then the final thing is Tailwind, which was $155.88. Now, unfortunately, I didn't want this. I actually tried to cancel it, but they have in their policy that you cannot cancel it for a refund. You just have to stop your auto payment, and then if you don't pay for it, then your subscription ends. But they would not give me a refund, even though I tried to. I don't really use Tailwinds like that. I don't think it's worth it. And it used to cost less. I think in 2021 I paid, let me see. In 2021 I paid $120. And then before that, I'm pretty sure I was paying as well. Yeah, $116. So it's gone up in price, and I was not happy about that. I just didn't catch it before. I thought it was going to renew later on in the month. I thought I had time to go in and cancel it, but ended up missing that period, and they wouldn't refund me. So anyways, altogether, this came to $292.67 in business expenses. And that's a wrap on 2022. Very grateful that all of this worked out. You know, I made a decent amount of income from my side hustles and extra income. I'm interested to see, I'm going to be filming a full financial review of 2022 and going through all the numbers. And I am interested to see how much I made from my side hustle income plus my extra income, because I haven't added these numbers all up together, because I think I made a decent amount, especially from credit card sign-up bonuses and cash back. So I'm excited to see all those numbers together. As I said, going forward, this will be all digital and much easier for me to track that way. And plus I'll get the numbers right. I don't have to make mistakes and probably bother those of y'all that this is supposed to be in order, but it's not. So I apologize for that. But let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching and being here, because honestly, if it weren't for y'all, I would not be making this money. So thank you so much. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.